my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Shiratu for being tuned in for another one. As you can see, it's the LS motherfucker trifecta. Woo! That bitch is sexy. 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 I feel like I did that with just 1 gallon. Like, I mean, I feel like I needed some more, but I mean, it do what it do. It is what it is. Fuck it. Fuck it. Good enough for government work, man. But yeah, man. Introducing my LS trifecta, built and painted by me. Mwah. You know what I'm talking about? Talk your shit, LS. Talk your shit. But nah, man, shout out to all the motivators, all that, man. But yeah, LS Swap photo, LS Broham with that split on that big. I need to go on and put my other swing on. That bitch sitting on the wall. But yeah, that's that split. On that clean up all the windows. Yeah, went ahead and clean up all the windows. So it looked like something. Probably gonna start getting the trim. A lot of trim is over there in that box over there, so we probably gonna get that polished up this weekend. And yeah, go from there. But yeah, man, she's looking good, man. She's looking real good, mom. Looking real good. Did that. Yellow boy seems to be running good. We're gonna play with him this weekend. But yeah, ground issues, battery issues. That'll definitely have your fuel injected car running like shit. So stay charged and stay grounded. You know what I'm saying? So yellow boy back in the mix. I guess I'm gonna get ready to, well, not right now, but here in the near future, go ahead and get ready to, like I said, pull this one out, pull the Tudo out, pull the Broham out, and then go ahead and pull the Tudo in so we can get busy, get that ready for Whip Fest. This is about mid-February. I'm probably gonna chill the rest of the month. Doing a little small shit, but then I'll turn around back door and turn around back door, and then we'll do we'll go ahead and get the land down here, you know what I'm saying, so we can get that paint and final assembly. Like, the trifecta kind of skipped. We ain't even put paint on here, but the paint job happened, so it is what it is. Yeah, man. I'm here in the garage where I just got done not too recently finishing painting my 1989 Chevrolet Caprice Classic LS Broham. Straight like that. This is one of the guns I used. I loved it so much, I was like, I need to find another one. So I started scouring the internet to see if I could. And I think I did. Let me show you what I found. All right, so this is I think the name of it was the Spray It. It's a 35, Spray It 5000 or something like that. It has the 1.3 tip on it. You can see there, got a 1.3 tip on it. This is your fan. This is like your fluid. This is your air here at the bottom. So compare this gun to what a lot of people are familiar with, or more familiar with, is the HVLP. Now, this is a LVLP and this is a HVLP. They look very similar. However, I do kind of feel like I can feel the difference in this one, just because it uses less air to operate versus these. I think this requires like 6, this requires like 3. So yeah, you do the math. So yeah, this one has the 1.4 tip. I kind of felt like the cleanup was easier on the, I felt like the cleanup was easier on the R500, which is the number that's on there. This HVLP, which is similar to the HVLP that I've also found elsewhere on the interwebs. This is the one I bought from Harbor Freight. There is one that is blue that I have around here somewhere that I also used when I was painting this car, and it had like a larger tip, come with like different sizes, but the end all be all one, like I said, that I used is to spray the clear and the color on the sides and the trunk, and all the rest of the car was this gun right here. So loving it so much, I set out to find another one, like I was saying, and I think I did. So no further ado, Summit carries 3 low volume, low pressure guns. And the low volume, low pressure to me is the important part, because it uses less air, therefore you have a surplus of air, so it can work more efficiently. Yes. So the one from Summit comes with the big silver cup. Also comes with wrench, brush, cleaning brush, extra filter, all that like that. So this gun from Summit was like 60, 64, 65 bucks, something like that. And here is the gun itself. Now, side to side, hand in hand, this seems to be the exact same gun. This one I ordered comes with a 1.4 tip, but you can order with a 1.4, a 1.7, or a 1.3 tip, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, has the same number etched on the side, R500, just like that one. That's one part that makes me think it's the same gun. The dial, the handles or the knobs, or the texture of them is a little bit different. But come on, we know what's up. We know what's up. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that I just been able to find another low volume, low pressure gun locally. I was scared because I heard a lot of great things about this gun from Underground Paint King, but was not able to find one. But only time will tell if this gun is gonna perform the way that it needs to be, or that it needs to. So if it sprays just like this other one, then we in the money. This one more than likely will be my regular base coat gun, and then the 1.3 will probably be my clear gun. So, I mean, they can interchange, you know what I'm saying? But when you spraying one after another, then you don't have to necessarily clean it out right then and there. But if you only got one gun, then, you know, that's cool too. Me, I like to keep them on deck. Keep them on deck. Keep them on deck. Have a lot of options. John Wick in this bitch. Bow, bow, bow. Nah, real talk though. So yeah. The link to this gun I will put down in the thing below. Part number is gonna be, come figure ready to throw this box away. The part number on here is, as you can see, Summits 02500014. So if you want to try it out, like I said, I think it may be a little bit of a step above the Harbor Freight gun, although the Harbor Freight gun will work as well. So, only thing different, the air is at the bottom. As you can see, it's only one back here. That's for your trigger, and then your fan is on the side, versus it being, you know, somewhere else. So that's the only difference. It's the only difference. So link will be in the description box below, man. I appreciate y'all supporting the channel, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and help somebody out. Yeah. These are the same guns. Same gun. Same gun. All right, y'all. We out.